Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how to customize FlexWindow widgets on your Flip 8. At first you need to close your phone, like this. Here we need to take a look at our unlocked phone, so unlock your phone, and now to add widgets and customize them, we need to, of course, at first hold our finger in the background. We need to swipe right, and now we can tap plus. And we can now add the widgets, like for example battery status add. And how to customize them? You need to hold your finger to move them around at first. And if you hold the finger in the background, you can tap this widget to edit this, like we can disable background, enable background, manage the opacity of this, and many others. Shape, and we can save the settings. And we can of course add another widget, like for example here we've got calculator add. If we hold it, we can see that we can move it around, and that's how it works actually. Bye!